Hello, this is Brett with Roof MD. We're doing an inspection here in Greenbrier, Tennessee. And you can see this is an older 3-tab roof. There's a few things going on here. Pretty typical unsealed fasteners and the ridge caps. The shingles are starting to kind of fold on the edges. This roof did not have drip edge flashing installed anywhere. There's a couple of things that make me think that maybe it wasn't a licensed roofer that installed the roof. Namely, little things like you can just kind of see how they had a hard time figuring out how to do the shingles around this attic vent. Come down here, you can see they overexposed these shingles, left too much exposed, and so then you have a problem with wind can catch these real easily. Bad patterns will leave exposed nails in the seams. You can see that in there. You got a couple spots where the shingles are too far apart and cause those same problems. It gives something for wind to catch, also exposes nails. There's a few nails popping up through shingles. You can see one here. Rubber collars are starting to get old. A few more, there's a little tear here, more unsealed nails. Down here along this little sidewall / rake edge. They've got the step flashings behind this metal, which is great. They missed the kick-out flashing at the bottom to direct the water away from the wall. Roof MD does free inspections, and we offer repairs, and we help with insurance claims, gutter, siding. We even offer a emergency storm warranty. If you're interested, go on our website, roof-md.com to learn more.